Hi everyone, this is Lisa Ann, author of Nail Care Nightmares, The Truth Behind the Beauty, and I'm going to go straight to talking to those of you who are doing nails in your home. If you are doing nails in your home, if you're using acrylic nail products in particular, if you're using methacrylic acid, you absolutely need to read chapter 2 and chapter 3 of my book. These two chapters could literally save your life. And if you read them, you'll understand why. When you're working with these types of chemicals, there are certain things you should not be doing while you're working with them. In this book, I'm going to tell you how. So guys, if your sister, if your girlfriend, if your wife, if your mom is doing nails from home, grandpa, if they're doing nails from home, this isn't just a woman's book. Men, you need to share this information with the women in your lives. Women, you need to share it with the men in your lives. I'm telling you, this book is full of information that will literally change your life. If you're doing things you shouldn't be doing, it'll help you stop. If you're not doing what you should be doing, it'll help you to start. This is quite literally the least expensive insurance policy you will ever purchase in your life, and it can save lives, okay? The more you know, I'm just trying to help you out. I'm going to drop the link in the comment section.